Hi! So, let's unbox yung housewarming gift na binigay ng Mamshies yesterday. Ito siya. Thank you, Mamshies. And yes, sobrang effort nilang mag-balot. Sobrang na-appreciate ko. And yeah. Thank you, Mamshies. So, as they say, pag nagbigay ng gift, sirain yung wrapper. Oh my God, vacuum cleaner! Okay. Meron na ako vacuum cleaner. Pero paano nila nalaman na gusto ko ng vacuum cleaner? Vacuum cleaner. Thanks so much from Paris Smith. Anyway, hindi ko nabubuksan yung pinaka-ano. Naka-double-sided paper. Ang hirap buksan. In-effort pala. Kinulang lang ng wrapper. Ay, open ko pa to. Anyways, thank you much for the heartwarming gift, vacuum cleaner. Thank you.